Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Multips Tech, popularly known as AB Casino. If you are new to my channel, you know the needful. Kindly join the family, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you always get my updates anytime I drop a new videos. And my old subscriber, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for always turning up. Thank you for checking up on me because I know that it's been a while I dropped or come online to talk about updates. Okay, so guys, follow me and join me and let's make money together this morning. So first and foremost, please know that my videos, my content here on this channel are for educational purposes. All right, so guys, so I'll be showing you one or two things I do online, and I get to make income on this platform. Okay, so I'll be playing on GG or over 2.5 or over 3.5. Okay, regardless, depending on what the signal is asking me to play. Okay, so this is how I go about it. Just watch, guys. That's what I do. So I play on England matches only. This update is only based on England matches only. Once it passes England matches, it doesn't really work that much. So I didn't see what I'm looking for here, so I go to next round. Okay, I go again. Okay, so I come here. I play on 1.5. I play on another one. I play on another one. Now I'm not playing GG on this one. So this one I can just make my stake any amount as I want. Okay, any amount I want I can do it, but because this is just a tutorial, I will be leaving it on 100 like that. So I'll be spending 300 to play this game. Just watch, guys. So, and it's plays on single, that is, it's just single. Now in this match I want 3 goals to come out in this match. So if 3 goals can come out in this match, it shows that I won all the tickets. Okay, and as you can see, we have 3 goals already, and even GG is out already. Wow, amazing, guys, amazing. So this is one of the way I make money on Sporty Bet Instant Virtual. This trick is very simple if you only follow what I'm doing. And I know majority of you wants me to share the knowledge here. Yes, it's normal. It is normal. Okay, share knowledge with you guys is something I've always wanted to do. But always remember that no knowledge you will share online, and I mean there's no knowledge you will share online when it comes to making of money that you expected that process should last longer, because when a lot of people are driving into that process, you know, the process will get too scarce. It will cast, that's just a fact. So the reason why I won't be sharing the knowledge online, I will only show you how I make it happens. So if you want to join me and knows how the whole process happens, you knows what to do now. You knows my old subscribers, you knows how you can, reach out to me, and you know how you can get this process being done. Okay, so that's just it. So just come over to me, I'll share the knowledge with you, and I'll tell you how you can get the whole process in an easy way. Just trust me, you won't even have issues when playing the game. Yes, so let's go again. I'll be doing the same process, then you'll see, and you'll be seeing the results. Okay, at times I think I've once dropped this kind of video before. Yeah, making money with 1.5, 2.5, something like that. I think I've done it before, but that process has cast, so I just had to, take my time again and rebuild the whole thing. Yes. Okay, all right, this time around we only having 1-0. Alright, no problem. It happens. So we go again. Okay. So we go again. Let's see. Okay, so alright, so let's go, guys. Over. Okay. So I'm going for this. I'm going for this. And I'm also going for this. So we're getting our money in return when I'm playing on this. This aspect is very sweet because you don't have to stress yourself. Money will be coming up. Yeah. The strategy is very active. Currently active at the moment. I'm telling you the honest truth. Yes, guys. Okay. We have our winning back. Okay. Very interesting. So let's go one more time. Then after this, we can call it a day. Yes. Just those ones I'm playing. If I had put a bigger amount there, it's a lot of money. Oh. Being sincere, it's a lot of money, guys. To be honest, just watch. Okay. Mm, so I'll begin on this. I'll begin on this. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So in this one, I only expected two goals to come out in this. So let's see. Okay, we already have our two goals. So you can see we have a winning again on this one. Okay, that's amazing. Alright, so let me see if I can play one more game. Then I call it a day. Let's see. Alright, so let me go. Let's go again, guys. You see, anytime you notice this padlock of a thing, sometimes it's a plan work. So they are telling you that 2.5 is assured, but it's a lie. Most times it's not assured. Yeah, so you need to be wise. You need to wise up. You need to wise up. So let me check the signal again, because they knows what they are doing. So I'm going for this. I'm going for this. I'm going for this. You need to wise up all those people. You need to be very, very wise. So let me play 50 here. Okay. Just play 50 here also. So let's see what the result is going to give. Okay, amazing. We had our winning already. Okay, that's amazing. Right. So I want to play one last game. Like I just want to make sure I surpass it to 31,000 because this is how I raise the money. I keep on raising the money, you know. Anytime I feel like I'm less busy enough. Let's see if I can do that. So I go again. Don't forget England matches only. England matches only, please. So I go again. Normally I don't like putting the targets to raise a certain amount when I'm just trying to show how I do the process. No, but I'm spending too much time on this system already. So let me just do one more again. Let me do one more. Let me do one more. Okay, so let me do one more. So I always try to avoid this padlock of 18 because it's kind of tormenting. It's tormenting. So most time when you see this padlock, it's better you just play 1.5 to avoid, story that touches the heart. But sometimes it cuts. Understand? So let me just go for the one that I knows okay. That will not get issue with. Okay, so let me go for this and this. So let me stick to my own here so it can make me get to where I'm going. So what guys? Okay, we already had our winning already. So guys, this update is still very much checking, like is really much active, much ash right now. Oh my god. Okay. I see. I see. That's Twitter. So guys, just if you want it, you can get to me. Okay, so come over to have it, okay? So this is Sporty Bets Instant Virtual. Alright. So if you want to know more on how I go about predicting those games, how I get my 2.5, 3.5. So just come over to me, I'll explain to you, okay? For my old subscribers, don't worry. It's very easy to get, now. I make it easier for you guys to get some for new subscribers also. Don't worry, I will also make it easier to get. So just come over to my DM, then you will get it, okay? So see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for always coming up anytime I drop a new video. So have a wonderful day. Peace out.